for now I'm gonna show you what's inside my BP250 LowePro Drone Guard. So basically this is what you're gonna see. I have my propellers over here, then I got my USB cables over here, and then the whole array of stuff inside here. Alright, not forgetting that I have something more over here also. So basically I'm gonna unstuff it for you and let you see what's inside here. Yeah, so basically what I have here is 2 batteries compartment, 2 more batteries over here. So basically this is more than a fly mode combo. And then I got my tablet holder, and then I got my remote controller. Okay, just to let you know, this is my spare remote controller in case I run out of juice on the other remote controller, or if I prefer not to have a hassle and just use a stock one with this antenna. This is good, but for long range I think I need more better than this. Okay, so basically this is what I have. This will be my Polar Pro filter. Okay, then followed by my sunshade for my Note 8. How it works, you just need to open it up. You have a suction caps. There you go, very neat. Okay, so the next thing is when I fly I will have this installed instead, but right now what I'm having here is the guard, the gimbal guard. Okay, so how actually it works, by removing this is 2-in-1 with the clip. So what I do is I'll take this and then I will install this way. There you go. Okay, it looks very sleek. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it here for now. Okay, so what I have here is the other remote controller. Okay, this is the one I'm using for my long range, which is the Etherlite. It's a DBS extender. Okay, and why I need to have it here is because they have exposed peripherals here with the cables, so it deserves that extra protection in this case. And also I have a power bank in case if I were to do a long range and then I decided not to change to a normal remote like this, I will use this to attach underneath my remote controller. Okay, I'm done with this, right? So the best part is that, let me close this thing up. Okay, the best part of this bag itself is that it contains something that if I were to go out and about. Okay, but prior to that, let me show you where I put my, oh yeah, this is my GoPro batteries. I still can stuff it here, 3 batteries. Okay, and then this is where I put my smartphone. It actually fits in my Note 8 nicely. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so when I out and about, like the other time when I went to Lazarus where there's no power supply, what do? So I bring the power bank, not a smaller power bank like this, but it's for charging the drone's batteries, which actually charges up twice as fast as the original, but with 2 batteries instead. So this is where I actually put in my power bank. Oops, sorry, this is something that I used to wipe my sweat. Okay, there you go. I got additional power banks again for my smartphone, and this is the one that actually can fit in. I use this to charge my Mavic Pro battery at a go, because what it does is very simple. Just take these two together, plug it in. After that, I just need to power it up on the side. Okay, and we start charging. Yeah, for this case I already charged both. Okay, done. So this roughly my setup now here. What do you guys think? Okay, so what happened if let's say I want to fly two drones, one Spark and one Mavic Pro? So this bag actually can give me the option of two drones to fly. So basically what you will see is that the content on this bag. Okay, so basically what you will have is the propeller for the Mavic, and then what you will get to see is the propeller for the Spark. And what you can see here is the Spark itself and the Mavic Pro. Okay, so what will happen is that I have 2, 4 and 1 battery inside the Mavic, so I got 5 battery, which I can actually snug in nicely. And then I have my Spark here with 3 battery combo. Alright, so what will happen is 2 remote controller here. Easy. Okay, and what's inside here? What basically you can get is the Spark itself, the 2 battery, and then underneath this what you get to see is my filter, my ND filter for my Mavic Pro. I got my power bank here, and I got my Mavic Pro. I got battery, and basically this is the 2 remote here, snugly fit in. Okay, and what we have here, so basically I can fit in my GoPro battery. I got 3 GoPro battery here. What about my phones for the 2 Spark and the Mavic? So the 2 phone actually can put it in here. Nice. Alright, so that means if I can have someone to fly together with me, I got no issues on that. So basically this is my setup for the 2 drones. Yeah, and practically this bag actually serve the whole lot of purpose. So that's it, easy peasy, gets the job done.